Hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Hi guys, welcome back. Can you guys tell me what day is today? Can you tell me? Very good, today is Friday and it's our fun day. And can you guess in what month we are? Very good, June. Today it's Friday, 5th or 5, June 2020. And how is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it partly cloudy? Yes, today we have clouds and sun. So how about we sing a song for the sun? Are you ready? Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Or Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. For this yummy activity, can you guess which is the biggest fruit on the table? It is the pineapple. The pineapple is very big and has two colors, yellow and green. And do you want to know something? This is my favorite fruit. Can you see another big fruit? Another big fruit? That's right, the papaya. The papaya is a big fruit. Sometimes it's colored orange, a very dark orange. Sometimes it's green. Sometimes it could be both. This is the papaya and it's a big fruit. Let's keep searching and looking for the yummy fruits. Look, here's one and it's a small one. Small. And it's round like the circle. It's called grape. The grape is color purple. Purple. Grapes. Can you look for another fruit? I see one that it's red and it's small. It's delicious. The strawberry. Look at the strawberry. It's red and has green leaves. And it's very delicious. Strawberry. Can you look for another fruit? Look, the apple. Apple. This apple is color red and it is medium size. Apple, red, medium size. Now we have the pear. The pear is color green and it's also medium size. Pear, green. Now we have, look, lemons. These are lemons and they're color green. We have 1, 2, 3 lemons. Now, can you see a yellow one that is large? Correct! The banana. The banana, you can peel it and it's also yellow inside. Yellow. Banana. And there's one left. Can you see it? That's correct. The mango. The mango, it's medium size. And its color red. Mango, red, medium size. Very good, guys. These are the fruits. It's been so much fun to learn about the fruits. So, to end this week, we're going to make a delicious salad fruit. For this, you will need a big bowl, sweet cream, hard cream, a knife, but this is for your mom or dad, and the fruits we learn about. Have fun!
Empecemos nuestra receta. Recuerden, deben de estar acompañados por un adulto. Let's start our recipe. Remember, you have to do it with mom or dad. First, you're going to cut and peel all the fruits. For this, I want you to work as a family. All together, you're going to cut and peel. How about if we do it a game? While your mom cut the pineapple, you can cut the strawberries, and your brother or sister can cut the banana. Your father can peel the papaya. And you can do it again, like this. Who can cut the most squares? Who can cut triangles? Para esta actividad, quiero que trabajen en familia. Vamos a todos a colaborar. Podemos hacerlo un juego. Por ejemplo, ¿quién corta cuadrados? ¿Quién corta más círculos? Y vamos a practicar el inglés. Digamos las formas, los colores y el nombre de la fruta en inglés. We are going to do it in English, remember, all the time. You can say the shape, the size, the color, and the name of the fruit in English. We've been practicing all week. But be careful when you're using the knife. You can use a plastic knife. It's less dangerous. Pero recuerden siempre ser muy cuidadosos. Deben protegerse. You can cut the fruits in the shapes of squares because it's easier. But if you think in another idea, do it. At the end, can you please send me photos? I would love to see them. Very good. Cut, cut, cut. Practice all the fruits. Remember, grapes, pear, mango, papaya, strawberry, passion fruit, pineapple, apple, cherries. Here is my favorite part. Mi parte favorita. The sweet in the salad fruit. Mix all together. You're going to put all together the fruits, the hard cream, the sweet cream, all together, and you're going to mix. This you can do it by yourself because it's the fun part. Look, it looks so good, so many colors and so many flavors. Para terminar, vamos a poner todos los ingredientes juntos y vamos a revolver. Hazlo tú. Muy bien. Esto se ve delicioso y además muy nutritivo. Pónganlo en un plato bien bonito y disfrútenlo. Bon appetit! See you soon, guys!